everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine, and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the military time step. So the military time step uses a lot of Irishes. So if you don't know the Irish, I recommend watching that video first, learning the Irish, and then coming back to this video. And I will link that video, the Irish video, in my description box below. You can also find it in my tap step tutorials playlist. It's pretty close to the top because I think it was one of the first steps that I taught or did a tutorial on. So this is the military time step. Let's go ahead and get started here. So we're going to do one Irish on the right foot. So it's going to go Irish right and then step, step, left, right. Now we're going to do an Irish on the left. Now step, step is right, left. Okay, so nice and simple, right? Irish, step, step, Irish, step, step. Let's give that a try here. So starting on the right foot, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step. Now we're going to do 3 Irishes in a row. Right, left, right. So we have step, step. Okay. So this one is meant to be very, upright because that's usually how our bodies are positioned when we're doing not time steps, Irishes. They're very upright, straight back. So that's what kind of the look we're going for with these. So again, we have Irish, step, step, Irish, step, step, 3 Irishes, step, step. Nice and simple. That's the whole thing right there. So let's go ahead and give it a try here. Nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step. Good. 3 Irishes. 1, 2, 3. Step, step. Now we're going to switch it to the left side. So Irish left, step, step. Right, left. Irish right. Left, right. 3 Irish. Right side. Step, step. Nice. The other thing I want you to pay attention to when you're doing your Irishes is to keep your weight on your toes. Don't drop your heels. Keep your heels off of the floor, right? We're going for this kind of a look here, okay? They don't need to be way off the floor, just slightly hovering, keeping your weight on the ball of your foot. Let's try it faster here. Right side into left side. So 2 times through. And here we go, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3. Left side. Right. Nice. And I think technically, like all other time steps, this one can traditionally start on 8. I tend to start it on 1. But let's go ahead and try it on 8. So it's going to be an 8 and 1. Yeah. So starts on and 8. So watch, because that's going to come in faster. Here we go. Starts on and 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Again, 8, 1. Nicely done. Good. Let's try it faster. And let's keep starting on 8 because this one actually works a little bit better to start on 8 with the shuffle. So faster here, starting on 8. 5, 6, 7. Nicely done. These are kind of fun to do when you get really fast. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And if you have a song suggestion or a step suggestion, let me know down in the comment section below. If you have a question, put it down in the comment section as well. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.